Hey everybody, it's Laura. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I want to talk to you about the Walmart grocery app. So if you've been curious, then stay tuned. Alright y'all, so if you are like me and you don't like large crowds, or if you don't like grocery shopping because you can't find something, you don't know what aisle is on, then I've got a solution for you. It is the new Walmart grocery app / pickup. Now I'm sure if you go to Walmart, you've seen these changes coming. Maybe you've been curious about it, but you don't really know how much it works or the process. So I wanted to walk you through this today. So first, I'm going to show you in a demo just how you add things to your cart and such. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. Alright, so it's as simple as going to that Walmart grocery app. Here on the home screen you can see they have different categories and ways of searching for their products, or if you prefer you can just go to the search option at the bottom and manually type in what it is that you're looking for. I just did bananas so we'd have a reference. Once you're under that category, you're just going to add the item that you're wanting. You'll see it added to your cart in the top right hand corner. Now, even though this says it's a grocery app, you can get anything out of the store except for guns and alcohol. As you add these to your cart, it is going to show you your quantity, your price, and then it's going to keep a running total for you at the bottom right hand of that screen. To pick up your products, you're just going to want to go to settings, make sure your location services are on, and then you're going to want to go to your emails where they sent you that email confirmation, hit the orange check-in, go back to your Walmart app, and it'll show you everything that you need to know, where to go, and your pickup time. Now, as you saw guys, that is the easiest thing. You just need the app, add your groceries to it. It's going to charge whatever card you have on your Walmart account. You go and you check in through the email that it's sent to you whenever your pickup is ready. You turn on your location services, you drive to your Walmart, go park in the pickup area, and an associate just brings your groceries right to you. And as I told you before, this is not just for groceries. You can get pretty much anything out of the store. One thing I didn't get to show you in the process of this, because I already had an order placed, is that you also select a time period. So if you do this a few days or even a day before you're wanting to pick this up, you should have pretty much the whole day available to you. Now, I haven't tried it yet, but a lot of times if you do in the morning, then you'll have like afternoon pickup. If you pretty much plan your time, because if you wait too long, then they're probably not going to have many pickup slots for you. So just be aware of your time. But now I wanted to go over some pros with you that I found using the Walmart grocery app. If you're like me, then you are on a budget. And a lot of times when you go to the store with a budget, you can sometimes kind of calculate, okay, I think I'm going to be in my budget. Is this going to be too much? I'm going to go over. But unless you're going through the store with a calculator, adding up everything as you go, you're really not going to know what your total is until you get to the checkout. And that is where I find this app to be the most useful. If I have a budget and I know how much I need to spend on groceries that week, I can go ahead and add things to my cart, see if it's going to be over the budget, under the budget, and how I need to adjust things. Another pro I think that you will find from this Walmart app is that it's going to keep you from overbuying. How many of us go into Walmart or go into Target, you're planning on buying just a handful of things and you walk out with a whole cart full? That's not going to happen necessarily if you're using this app, because you are only going to be picking up what you place in your order. You're not going to be able to walk through the store and see things that catch your eye and you're going to, oh, I need that, or oh, I want this. No, whatever you have placed in your cart online and you have checked out with is what you're going to get. Another pro, especially for me, is that there are no crowds. Right now where I live, Walmart is pretty much the only store that you can get food. We just had a Winn-Dixie close. Now there is another store that just opened. It's a smaller store. So there are tons of crowds in Walmart, and the grocery section is insane. no matter what time, what day. So for me, this eliminates that problem. I can get in, park, get my stuff, get what I need, and get out, and I'm done. Another thing, another pro that I found with this app is how many times have you gone onto the Walmart app, you want to see if something is in stock at your store. It tells you it's in stock. You go to your store and it's not actually there. I know that's happened to me a few times, and it can be frustrating because you're counting on that product being there. But sometimes that I find that the Walmart app alone just isn't quite accurate. With the Walmart grocery pickup app, it has to be accurate, I feel anyway, because it has to show you what an associate is able to go and literally pick up off the shelf and bring to you. So I use this kind of a second way to double check stock. So if I'm on the Walmart app and I'm seeing, hey, I want this, and it's telling me it's at my store, then I'm gonna go and look at the grocery app, put in that same product, see if it tells me that it's available, and then usually, so far in my experience, it's been available if it's on that Walmart grocery pickup app. I know I've been looking for a certain product, and through the regular Walmart app, it tells me it's there. It gives me an aisle number. When I go to the store, I don't see this product. Now, if I'm overlooking it or I'm just in the wrong area, I don't know. But I finally just gave up. I ordered it through the Walmart pickup app, and I got that product on the first try. So to me, again, it's a very good way to check stock. Now, I want to talk about some cons for this. Again, like I mentioned, if you don't get it in a certain time frame, you might lose out on the time frame that you need for pickup. That could be a con. Another thing is, if a product is out of stock, you know, sometimes that's just going to happen. Even if you're walking in the store yourself, sometimes whatever you're looking for is just not going to be there. Now, am I saying that this is a way to completely eliminate going to the store? No. I'm sure I will be in Walmart plenty. This is just getting one stop that I know I need to get done, but I don't have to go. And maybe that when I do go in the store, I know I have all my essentials, so then I can just go and browse and see if there's anything that I'm just wanting. Another con that you may see to this, or the people around you may judge you for this for whatever reason. Guys, I've got plenty of people who think I'm a little weird for doing this, but at the end of the day, you have to do what works for you. And for me, using this for my weekly grocery shopping is what works. So I will continue to use this service. And it's free. There's no extra charge for this. So if it's free, it's being offered to you, why wouldn't you want to use it? So guys, I hope this video helped you. Again, if you've been curious about the process and how it works, I hope this gave you a little bit of insight to that. I know my first time going to pick up an order, I was extremely nervous. I really didn't know how the check-in process worked. So I wanted to put this out there, and hopefully it'll ease your mind a little bit. Let me know down below if you do give this a try and whether or not it worked for you. I'd love to hear from you. So I'll see you next time.